Welcome back to Your Weight Loss Questions Answered. I'm Brad, and today we have a measurement question. Should I measure meat raw or cooked? Now, this is a pretty important topic when we're trying to count macros and log them. In a perfect world, you want to weigh your meat raw. Whenever you see things on a label of raw meat, or like MyFitnessPal or Carbon Diet Coach, they default to the raw weight. If you have cooked weight chicken or cooked weight meat, you need to put that in your fitness tracker. You need to search for chicken breast cooked so that you can get an accurate representation of what you're eating. Raw chicken, raw meat has a lot of water content, and as it cooks, the water comes out. So the weights can be very different. The protein concentration of that item of that food is very different. When weighing, in a perfect world, weigh it raw. If you have any weight loss questions, put them in the comments and I'll answer them on a future show. I also have a macro counting jumpstart guide available in a link in the description. This way of eating has helped me lose 14 pounds in the last couple weeks, and I'm super excited about it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.